Here's JJ, and he is a 5-year-old Chihuahua mix, and he is cool as a cucumber. He's not shy, he's not assertive, he's just go with the flow attitude. He was very quick to jaunt around on the leash, not showing any sort of nervousness to being outside, but certainly not pulling or dragging me, just enjoying our time together. Jumped right up in my lap, took treats really nicely. He's alert, but relaxed. Is that possible? Is that an oxymoron? He's cool. He's definitely the type of guy that would wear a jean jacket and drive a cool car. This is JJ. And I think he would be great with all different kinds of families. I think he'd be fun with your kids. I think he'd be fine with an older person who really just wanted to go on short walks and cuddle. I think he's up for all of it. And I really like his pointy ears. I don't think he misses much. I think he is totally aware and cool with it.